Y'all just saw me put fresh bedding on Harley's bed, and this is what it is when you have a large dog. Look what this dog has done to his bedding already. Look at that. It was clean about 5 minutes ago, and now he's already started to drool on it. But you're so cute though. Yeah, you're such a cute puppy though. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me again. If you are new here, then my name is Mariah and I am currently trying to get my life together. So lately, with everything that's been going on with TTCing, I really just wanted to get into starting to share and open up other parts of my life to you guys. I don't really vlog a whole lot, but it is something that I would like to start doing just so I can share more with you guys what I do in either my downtime or in like my 2-week waits, or just that in-between time whilst TTCing, because I do have other things going on in my life. So yeah, this is just the start of me sharing more with you guys. As you can see behind me, my room is a hot mess.
My whole house right now is a freaking hot mess.
This room is probably close to the worst though. I have really not been cleaning as much as I should, and I've just been letting things get kind of out of control and a little bit chaotic. So today we are gonna go ahead and fix that and go ahead and clean the house. So let's go ahead and hop to it.
Human beings are magical creatures. We can see what doesn't exist and choose to rise above what is. Unlike any other, humans can feel without having to have actually felt. We can share each other's pain or joy. One might use such a power to destroy, rather than to build up or support.
Lately I've been feeling something gotta change, you know. Tempted to get even, 'cause I'm on a plane, but I don't gotta go that low. Keeping it in control. Got me on my weakest, don't know. Coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine. There's nobody else gonna save my life. See it so clear with my own two eyes. My eyes. I'm not broken, I'm still going. Going up, 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 up. I'll show them I'm not broken, I'm still going. Oh, didn't you know I'll be my own redemption? Yeah. No manipulation. Ooh, I ain't gonna buy it again. So over all the faking, no, no. I ain't got the energy. Why you be testing me? Ooh, now I'm out of patience. Ooh, I coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine. for my mama. When I finally make it, take all my vacations to Bahamas. Always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate. You just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us. Yeah, I'm passionate. I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go. Better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy, I be cashing checks like it ain't shit. Loose deep in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Whole crew be lit. Running my money up. Watch it all fall from the sky. I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it here. They see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect, I ain't never gonna lose, I'll be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy ballin'. Ballin', ballin', yeah, I be busy ballin', 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 ooh, boy, I be busy ballin', 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 yeah, I be busy ballin', 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 ooh, boy. Essence superheroes stand beside when I'm feeling down, down, down. But I'm optimistic. music that I can't turn it all round, round, round. Baby, if you felt my pain, you know how strong I am. Make this shit look easy, swear it's hard to stand. I didn't make no time for falling, it was never in my plan. Examination, recall, rehold, that's just who I am. Are you checking on me? Are you check secured? Are you betting on me? Or is my enemy preferred? Are you down to ride? Can I really trust your word? Can I really trust your word? Cause I needed you to be mindful of. Needed you to be mindful. Stretch out my hand to you and take down your blindfold. Imagine that I reach out to you, but I'm young and still prideful. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Where the fuck does your mind go? Where the fuck did the time go? Small talk kept the lights so. Cut to the chase, get out my face. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Stretch out my hand to you. Take down your blindfold. Imagine that I reach out to you. I'm young and still prideful. Needed you to be mindful of me.
Okay guys, so I am just about done for the day. I did not finish the whole house, but I did finish vacuuming both upstairs and downstairs, and I'm just going to show you how much stuff is in this vacuum and how much hair is picked up in this vacuum. So you guys remember what the water looked like earlier today? This is what it looks like now. Yummy. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump this yucky water, and we're just gonna pick back up where we left off tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then.
Why did all the real ones go? Why is my night so slow? Ink seeping in my skin, hoping it could heal my soul. No, I gotta get my own. Swear we on different roads. I'm burning a fucking bridge, cause I ain't gon' pay no toll. Money can't kill my pain, but no, it keeps my dream alive. Honey be all I drink these days because my health declines. Runny nose doing laps around them cause it's do or die. It's do or die. Now I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth. My regrets are texts I couldn't send to you. Close my eyes and pretend like this never ended, cause I've been leaning on you, been dreaming on you. I thought I knew you. This tunnel vision is all I witnessed. Know you've been through it. Please come back to earth for me. This was just a seed that you planted in dirt for me. It's worth something. I've been trying to show them the worst of me. Name me one person who would steal from a purse for me. It hurts, don't it? We got some demons in common, but not the same lows. 5'9", but you be 6 feet deep and find a halo. I know where the fuck I'm going. These mountains just stepping stones. Pour some whiskey when in Rome, just sipping Jameson alone. I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth. And I've been waiting so long, yeah, to have you by my side. That I felt it all, weeping alone. Your words remain carved in my bones. Thought I knew how this shit would go, so I don't know how the I'ma let go. Rain and shine, I'ma get money. If you wake up, that's a good morning, yeah. Faces all around me, they yawning, and I'ma smile back if we honest. But I ain't doing nothing I don't need. Just a G chasing money till he go and rest in peace. Know that it ain't always what it seems. When my brothers blowing trees, they just really blowing steam. I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth.
I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. But sometime, you the first one made my heart beat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime.
I'm officially done with the cleaning, which is awesome. We have family coming over this weekend, and I really wanted to make sure that I cleaned earlier in the week versus waiting till the last minute, because no one likes to rush and clean. Y'all just saw me put fresh bedding on Harley's bed, and this is what it is when you have a large dog. Look what this dog has done to his bedding already. Look at that. It was clean about 5 minutes ago, and now he's already started to drool. But you're so cute though. You're such a cute puppy though. Also, we have an air show to go to this weekend, so I'm gonna try to vlog that. I don't know if there'll be sound included because it is probably gonna be quite noisy with all the plane engines, but we shall see. So that's all for this vlog today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a huge thumbs up, and if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and do that now so you don't miss out on any future uploads. I hope you all are having an amazing and wonderful week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.